Hi, so in this video what I'm quickly going to do is just show you how you can run your backtest in Amibroker and then copy over the trades. So you're going to take the trades from the backtest report, you'll paste them into Excel, and I've got a ready built spreadsheet in Excel which will give you the profit of each trade, and then we can very simply create a trade distribution column graph. So we're in Amibroker, I've run my test, this is my report explorer. So what you're going to want to do is go to the trades, so just click trades, right click anywhere, click select all, right click and then copy, and then go to the spreadsheet, which I will include beneath this video. In cell A1, right click and then paste, and you want to click the match destination formatting. So that's going to paste over the backtest report, but what it's set up to do is it will automatically list the profit loss figures in column P. Okay, so now that that's all been copied over, what we want to do is highlight all of the profit figures which are in column P. I'm doing this the very slow motion way. There are quicker ways to do this, but for those of you who aren't too used to using Excel, you can just simply drag down the column, right click, copy, and then if you come to sheet 2, in cell B2, right click and then click paste values, and then you'll want to just call that column P and L or something like that. And then in column A1, just call that number, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then click in A2, drag down to A7, and then with a little black little box you can see there on the corner, just click that and drag all the way down. Again, if you understand how to use Excel, you'll know that you can highlight all of these cells much quicker than this. But there we are. So what we've done now is we have given each P&L figure a number. So that's the trade number. Because if we go back to the backtest report, you'll see that they're in chronological order from beginning to end. Okay, so let's come back to our spreadsheet. Now, to create the graph, first we're going to want to get rid of these blank cells. So very straightforward to do that. Again, just highlight all of column A. Once all of column A is highlighted, you'll want to come to Data, and then click Filter, and then that'll give you a little drop-down box in cell A1. So click the drop-down box, untick Select All, scroll down and click Blanks. Click OK, and then with the column A still highlighted, right-click anywhere in the highlighted space, and then click Delete Row, and then it'll say Delete Entire Sheet Row, click OK. So we've now deleted all the blank cells, so now we can create our trade distribution graph. So again, just highlight all of the data in the cells, in columns A and columns B. Come back to the top of the page, click on Home, don't click on Home at all, click on Insert, click Column, and then this 2D column graph will be fine. So this is the beginnings of our graph. Just right click anywhere, click Select Data, Series 1 you'll want to remove, and there you have your trade distribution graph. Now obviously you can manipulate these numbers and turn them into percentages depending on the size of your account and things like that, but essentially that is how you build a trade distribution graph. That's only taken me a few minutes, and it's a pretty useful tool. And the other good thing about getting your trade set up in a simple column like this, the distribution of trades, is you can then export them and do like Monte Carlo analysis and things like that. But there we are, that's all it was. It was just, I've had some emails from people who wanted to know how to create a trade distribution graph, and there it is. Thanks very much for your time. Take care.